Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of removing a subscriber in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, click on the Grow tab in the main menu. This section is dedicated to managing your subscribers and tags. Next, click on Subscribers. This will take you to a list of all your subscribers. Scroll through the list and find the subscriber you want to remove. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate them if you have many subscribers. Once you've selected the subscriber, click on their name to open their profile. In the subscriber profile, you will see the Delete Subscriber option. This option is usually located towards the bottom or in a prominent spot on the page. Click on the Delete Subscriber button. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure that you really want to delete this subscriber. Confirm your choice. After confirming, the subscriber will be deleted from ConvertKit and you will no longer have their information in your list. That's it. You've successfully removed a subscriber from your account. Remember that deleting a subscriber is permanent, so make sure you really want to proceed before confirming the deletion. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.